Happy Friday, everyone! Today's episode includes information about the Novi Colorguard, a book video from staff to students, an interesting Choose Your Own Adventure video, plus much more. This is WNMS-From Home, Episode 4, the Friday edition. It's Riley. This is your WNMS-From Home, Episode 4, and today's date is May 15th, 2020. Welcome to our first Friday edition of WNMS-From Home. We will begin our show with the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
The Novi Colorguard is a unique organization that focuses on students' learning performance and dance through the marching arts. We encourage anyone interested to join to use the link below to access the Novi Colorguard Interest Group 2020 on the Band app. You can click on the link in the episode's description. More information will be sent out very soon regarding this summer and the audition process. Everyone makes the team. It sure looks rainy out. What's the weekend's weather forecast, Nikhil?
What's up, NMS? It's Nikhil with your weather for the weekend and Monday, of course. On Friday, we're going to get a bunch of thunderstorms with the high being 74 and a low of 49. On Saturday, we're going to get one day of chill with it being mildly cloudy with the high of 68 and a low of 53. But then we get back to the rain on Sunday and Monday. But on Sunday, we're going to be having hard rains, but on Monday, we're going to have light showers. That's your weather report for the weekend, NMS. It's been Nikhil signing off.
Those temps look really good, Nikhil. Let's hope we can go outside and enjoy some sunshine. Just because we aren't at Novi Middle School doesn't mean we can't show off our school spirit. Let's spend the month of May showing off our Spirit Week with these weekly themes. This week is Pajama Week, next week will be Wild and Crazy Week, and the week of May 25th will be Hero/Superhero Week. Show your school spirit in your class meetings or by sending photos to Mr. Miller at brad.miller@novik12.org. You can also post your photos in the album section of your WNMS group page. What have you been reading? Miss Wesner, our media specialist, asked the teachers to send a video of what they are currently reading. There were a lot of interesting books in there. Thanks for putting the video together, Miss Wesner. Keep reading, Wildcats. Do you remember Choose Your Own Adventure books? Jennifer is deep in the jungle and has created an interactive Choose Your Adventure film where you, the audience, will have to say what she does next.
Hey everybody, it's Explorer Jennifer here, and thank you for joining me on this adventure through the jungle La Casa to find the ancient medicine that will cure thousands of people. But along the way we will face many clues, but worse, many choices, and that's where I need your help. So I found the first clue, let's go. Here's the first clue. What is the sixth phase of the moon? Well, I know what the first phase is. It's a new moon. But what are the other phases? Let's use the phone of knowledge. Well, it looks like the phone of knowledge has brought us to the online textbook in Schoology. So let's see. Right here is a new moon. So then, based on the picture, it looks like it's going from here. This is the phases of the moon. So let's see. Right here, this phase is waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, waning gibbous, third quarter, and waning crescent, then back to new moon. So what we want is the sixth phase, so let's count. New moon, waxing crescent, first quarter, waxing gibbous, full moon, and then looks like the sixth phase is the waning gibbous. Waning gibbous is our answer, but what does that have to do with it, leading us to the next clue? Let's think. I think tonight is a waning gibbous. Do you think that it means that we have to go outside to find the next clue? We have to see the waning gibbous? I think that's what it means. Let's go outside. Okay, so all we have to do is go inside, and I think we have to roam around and try to find the clue. What is that sound? Is it the invisible night monsters? I forgot. They're really dangerous. They only come out at night. So what should we do? Should we go outside even though there's night monsters and it's going to be very dangerous? Or should we wait for tomorrow morning to find the clue?
What should Explorer Jennifer do next? Vote on the WNMS Schoology group page now. Haven't joined the WNMS group page yet? The access code is VQQ834X74G554. What happened today in history, you ask? Take it away, Maya.
Hey NMS, it's Maya with your Today in History. Today, Madeleine Albright was born. Madeleine was the first woman Secretary of State. Her family moved to England shortly after the Nazis occupied Czechoslovakia in 1939. The family returned home after World War II. Albright went to college and got her PhD and headed to Washington, D.C., where she worked for Maine's senator and served on the National Security Council. During the Republican presidencies of Ronald Reagan and George W. Bush, Albright worked for several nonprofit organizations and taught at Georgetown University. In late 1996, Bill Clinton nominated Albright to succeed Warren Christopher as U.S. Secretary of State. After her nomination was unanimously confirmed by the Senate, she was sworn in January 23, 1996. All right, NMS, that's it for Today in History.
Happy birthday to the following students.
Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Clap, 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 happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. happy birthday to you. Yay! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, everyone! Many of us have played the board game Clue, and if you enjoyed playing it, then Quincy recommends Knives Out, a family movie that is fun yet mysterious.
The movie I am talking about today is called Knives Out. I really enjoyed this movie and I recommend it to you guys. The cast of Knives Out consists of Chris Evans, Daniel Craig, Jamie Lee Curtis, and more. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the movie. It came out in 2019, and the genre of the movie is a mystery. It's really funny, and you'll be engaged throughout the whole movie. It's really good to watch with your family or friends, and I recommend it to you guys.
Everybody loves popcorn while watching a good movie, but you've never had Luke's special recipe for homemade caramel popcorn. This recipe is a game changer.
What up guys, it's Luke, and today I'm going to be explaining how to make easy homemade caramel corn. On the screen you can see the ingredients. The ingredients are salt, 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of light brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and a half teaspoon of baking soda. Now here are the directions. Make the microwave popcorn, salt the popcorn and set popcorn aside. Melt 1 cup of butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Add 1 cup of light brown sugar and stir until thoroughly mixed. Stirring continuously, bring the butter and sugar mixture to a boil on medium heat. Cook for 5 minutes without stirring on medium heat. Add 2 teaspoons of vanilla at the 4-minute mark and stir. Continue to boil for 1 additional minute and then add a half teaspoon of baking soda. Drizzle the caramel mixture over the popcorn. Pour the popcorn out on a cookie sheet covered with aluminum foil. The last step is to let the popcorn cool. So that's how you make easy homemade popcorn. Have a good day, NMS.
Yup, I'm convinced. I'm watching Knives Out tonight with some caramel popcorn. I hope you enjoyed this week's WNMS episode, and I hope everyone is at home staying safe. Have a good day, everyone.